For someone who doesn't know or have any idea about the Republic of Benin, let me tell you, it is a country in West Africa. It is also known as the birthplace of the Voodoo religion, and the official language is French. In today's vlog, guys, I'm going to be taking you along with me on a trip to the Republic of Benin, and I'm going to show you all that happened during my stay. And the journey began like this.
Alright, bye-bye.
So I boarded a flight with the United Nigerian Airlines from Asaba International Airport to Lagos. So when I arrived in Lagos, I met up with my friend Obina, who will be joining us also in this trip. To make our journey more exciting, we decided to travel through the water. So we made our way to CMS ferry station, where we took a boat to Badagry, which cost 1,500 naira per person. So when we got to Badagry station, we took a 10-minute motorbike ride to Semeboda. By the way, Badagry is a town between the city of Lagos and share a border with the Republic of Benin.
This is our naira.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Cotonou. Cotonou is the largest city in Benin and the country's primary port of entry for visitors. The city is in the south of the country on the coastline. This is our friend Nnamdi. He lives in this city and he will be our tour guide. Using his skills in the field of French communication, Nnamdi negotiated a good price for the transport to our first location in Cotonou. Dona Blatch, aka Dona Beach. Been a very fine place to chill with friends and family. Very lively every weekend. Beautiful view and with a supreme fresh air. We decided to chill and have a glass of palm wine.
we just arrived at the Bab's Dock.
Bab's Dog is a quiet heaven in the outskirts of Cotonou. It's a very relaxing place to chill with your family or friends. They have good foods, drinks, and exciting activities like swimming, sailing, and kayaking. It also has a mini zoo and some rooms to let, in case you want to spend over the night. I mean, what's going to a French country without doing the French dance? Good morning, guys. So it's another day, and right now we are inside the market, and we are here to buy some clothes. Mostly what's being sold here are just OK products. That's Okerika. If you're from Nigeria, probably you know what I mean. It's Okerika. What's the name of this market? That's what I said.
Mesebo.
So it's called Mesebo Market. This is one of the best African marketplaces with all its diversity in what it has to offer. Should you need quality bags, shoes, clothes, and other things, you will get it very cheap in this market. As a Nigerian going to this market, needless to worry about being expertise in French communication, because a lot of Nigerians trade here.
You already know I love my street food. I don't joke with my street food. Vlog has come to an end, guys. I hope you guys have really enjoyed this vlog. If you did, you already know what to do. Smash the like button below, share with your family and friends, and subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. And by the way, I want to use this opportunity to thank every one of you who have been part of this channel from onset. And also I want to use this opportunity to thank some of you who are new in this channel. You're highly welcome. Stay tuned in this channel, and I will see you when next time I upload. Got it?